moving forward.
The State Food Testing Laboratory, MEGLA, in collaboration with the Commissionerate of Food Safety, Department of Health and Family Welfare, today conducted a one-day technical session come Food Awareness Safety at the Conference Hall of the State Food Testing Laboratory, Pasture Hill, Shillong. Dr. Joram Beda, Commissioner of Food Safety, graced the program as the chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Joram Beda said that there is a need to advocate food safety as an important component of public health. He appreciated the enforcement wing of the Commissionerate of Food Safety, who are putting their best efforts to bring to light the importance of food safety. He also suggested the importance of regularly monitoring the global burden of food-borne and zoonotic diseases in the state as well.
We need to advocate food safety as an important component of public health. Also, we need to exchange best practices, and that's why we are organizing such events. We also need to regularly monitor the global burden of the foodborne and zoonotic diseases in the state as well. And finally, we should make food safety, as I said again, a major public health priority.